of night were falling fast, as through an alpine village passed a youth who bore neath snow and ice a banner with a strange device. Excelsior!
His brow was sad, his eyes beneath flashed like a falchion from its sheath, and like a silver clarion round the accents of that unknown tongue.
Excelsior! In happy homes, he saw the light of household fires, gleam warm and bright. Above, the spectral glacier shone, and promised leaves escaped the grove.
Excelsior!
Throwing at the bus,
The old man said,
dart towards the tempest overhead. The roaring torrent is deep and wide,
and loud that clarion voice replied,
Excelsior! Who's they? The maiden said, and dressed like where with the head across his breast. A tear stood in his bright blue eye, but still he answered with a sigh.
Beware the pine tree's withered branch. Beware the awful avenue.
This was the pleasant last good night. A voice replied, far up the height.
Excelsior!
Sure. At break of day, at 7 ward, the pious monks of Saint Bernard uttered the oft-repeated prayer. A voice cried through the startled air. Excelsior! Traveler, with a painful hum, half buried the snow was found, still grasping his hand of ice, that banner with the strange device. Excelsior!
There in the twilight cold and gray, lifeless but beautiful he lay, and from the sky serene and far, a voice fell like a falling star. Excelsior!
Bye.